Here's the defense. Anthony Edwards wanted to be a better two-way player. This is how you get it done.
LeBron against Edwards. The switch on defense now on Prince. LeBron takes it in, kicks it out. Schroeder. Anderson looks for the open man. It's a three off.
And it's a foul on Anthony Davis.
And Anthony
contesting.
Davis. This is Minnesota's first free throw attempt this half.
Oh my goodness. You love playing basketball. This is what you want. Oh man, that's pressure. That is absolute pressure.
And we've got overtime.
Oh my goodness. I think that left shoulder was sore when he took that spill over Rui.
Good feed. Davis. Schroeder caught. Put it through.
How big has Schroeder been in the second half?
Phenomenal.
We weren't even wondering if he was going to come back after that turn left ankle.
Lakers' biggest lead. Schroeder's got 19 points and 3 threes. With the Towns move and a Schroeder defense, and Anderson in the corner. Edwards 0-7 from 3, and he traveled.
Little give and go action here between Schroeder and AD. Travel there by Edwards. It's been a long night for Ant-Man. 1 of 12, only 5 points. You're all-star.
James got action or a screen. They switch the defense. Towns and James. Shot clock at 6. LeBron making the move. Calculating. Firing. It's tipped by Davis. It's retrieved in the play by Edwards. Here he goes flying the other way.
And there was no way LeBron was going to contest that with those 5 fouls.
Exactly.
Let's see if this can kind of get Anthony Edwards going.
Schroeder again, Davis a screen, back into AD and out to Reeves in the corner. Hachimura across the lane and puts up a 14-footer. Edwards will retrieve it.
If Edwards can make back-to-back plays here. Sometimes you just need to see the ball go through.
It's a 3 by Edwards, 0 of 8. And LeBron chugging the other way. Into Davis. Good-looking catch.
Did you see how high LeBron threw the ball? There was only one man in this building that was going to be able to get it, and that was AD.
It's Conley sizing him up. Davis on the perimeter. Anderson with the move. Shot clock at 10. Edwards. Floating in, gets the 2, 3-point game, 19 seconds to go.
Since the end of the third quarter, here's the steal.
It's Conley with the steal. In the corner, Prince for the tie. No! Rebound Reeves, leaping high, and a foul. Quickly the inbound, Schroeder. It's like he's running to Dusseldorf there. Our 19-20 Minnesota is 14 of 15. 8.4, another free throw, Schroeder. Jumping up and down in front of him, over the head of Towns. Another turnover. That's 24 for the Timberwolves. That they'll be at the target center of Minnesota, and they'll play there with the loose ball, and Anderson's got it. And Edwards, who tonight struggled 3 of 16 and 3 of 17. The Los Angeles Lakers will play the 2 seed Memphis Grizzlies.